Good morning. It's John, Form & Reform and the Empire of Dirt. We just got in this new machine. It's the xTool cutting center, and just starting to play around with it. Have a few items that were cut. My daughter Zoli tonight or on Friday is going to have a spoon party, so she's experimenting with cutting out spoon blanks. These will get formed into spoons in her party so everybody can eat the soup. That's what the software looks like. Just wanted to give a quick heads up to the problem with the xTool compressor. I assumed that was the cord that we were going to need, a 20 amp, but that's a 20 amp 110, and this is a 20 amp 220. Very different plug, and not something that I've ever run into before, and hard to find. But I did find this on Amazon. I'll put a link in there. And what this is, 20 amp 220 splitter that goes to a 50 amp welding plug, which we have all over our shop. And that splits off into a 30 amp 220 that fits into the back of the welding machine right there. So that's the 1200 watt welder, and this perfect little setup to run both the compressor and the welder off of one 50 amp circuit that we literally have all over the shop. So great little solution. I'll be posting more as I get the hang of the software and the machine. And later today we're going to start welding with this for the first time. And this is the project we're working on, radial arians. So fun little project and a great machine for doing that.